Hey, it's winter and the more reason to buy apples. But did you know that store-bought apples can contain wax and wax is not good for you? This wax is generally coated to make the apples look more appealing. So what I do is just either scrape off the top layer with a knife like this nicely, then just dust off the wax and rinse under cold water. Or say if you want to cook a whole batch of apples, or if you're planning to serve a party, what I do is just heat some water till it's bubbling a little and then add in the apples and leave them for around 10 to 15 seconds. Do not overdo it or it might result in a mushy applesauce kind of texture. But even if you do, it's better than eating wax, right? Now just remove it from the water and rub it nicely in a clean coarse towel to remove everything else which is left. That's all and you are good to go. I hope you found this tip useful, and hey, if you liked it, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Till then, take care and see you again soon. Bye.